Using a low-speed buffer, begin to remove the mastic material from the injury area. Switch to a 36 grit buffing wheel so we may buff the area. Once buffed, we use the wire wheel to remove the buffed material. Finally, vacuum the area to eliminate any debris remaining. Now you're ready to start the proper 1 or 2-piece repair. Let's start by marking the injured area from outside of the tire. Now drill the injury 3 times from the inside, then the same from the outside. Use a brass brush to clean the area before applying special blue cement. Next, you'll put special blue cement onto an awl and insert it into the prepared hole. Once done, you swirl the special blue cement around the injured area. Completely cover the area to ensure a good bond between the tire and the repair unit. You may check for dryness by touching with the back of your knuckle. Now you're ready to insert the repair unit. Once inserted, pull the repair unit until the base is completely flushed with the tire and dimples against the inner liner. Thoroughly stitch the base from the center outwards to remove any trapped air. Now use repair sealant around the entire repair unit to seal it into place. Cut the stem, and you have fully finished the repair.